Hello and welcome to Get Home Safely Today. My name is Mark. Our mission is your peace of mind. So today we're going to work on a very simple personal protection drill called block, pass, pin. So Keon is going to start off by throwing his right hand towards my left temple. And he's going to kind of do that in a big motion because if I'm just learning how to do this, I need that to kind of come at me slow and a little wide so I can pick it up. Wherever you're at. Block. Pass. Pin his elbow into his chest. Block. Pass. Pin. All right, now he's going to throw it from the other side. That's what he missed the first time. Block, pass, pin. All right. Block, pass, run. So here you are in a simple drill. What's the first goal of our drill? Don't get punched in the head. That's our first part. So he surprises me, boom. Maybe he comes up, why don't you step back and walk in and like ask me what time it is or something like that. And you got the timer, boom! So right there. And what does this look like? I'm going to move his arm for a second. See my hand here? We call this hello. Just think about saying hello. I'm just going to wave some hello. So Keon throws a punch. Hello. There it is. Hello. Pass it off. Now a little more advanced version is I'm going to move away as I'm moving him. So from here I could already be leaving. But if I'm really worried about it, or it's going to be a lot faster in real life actually, I might still catch his elbow, because with his elbow, if he wants to push back, I've got some room here. It also protects me a little bit if he wants to be coming with another hand here. So as I'm pinning, I can be moving. I could even touch him again here as I'm exiting, right where my feet want to go, and I can see where I'm going. And I'm going to take a good 3, 4, 5 running steps before I would look back. Block. Pass, pin. Shove that one. Block, pass, pin. Again, we just step back for just a second. I'm going to do the same thing now, but without Keon in the frame. Block, pass, pin. One more time. Block. Pass. Pin. On your right side. Block. Pass. Pin. So notice that each time we do it, block, when I pass, my out hand, the one closest to the person, comes back while my other hand is moving away. When I pin, I go in and I come back. This way, I've always got a hand that's protecting me on my inside. I'm just going to do the movements for you. Stand around, mind your own business. In comes this punch to this side of your head. Block. Also, we just call that hello, right? Hello. That's probably what it would look like if it happened, right? Here comes the punch. Okay. Block. Pass. Pin. Again. Block. Pass. Pin. So what's going on here? Block. That's a little away from me. Notice this distance. When I pass, I bring it back here. Why? So it can protect my head in case something else is happening. Then when I go for the pin into his arm, this hand comes back to protect my head on this side. Block, pass, pin.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share. And in the comments, leave your thoughts and suggestions for future videos. And as always, get home safely today.